Michelle owns a flower shop. Last month, she took her family to Paris. Every month, she gets one of these. She doesn't care. It's covered. So are these. Is the floral business that good? Last month, it was flourishing. This month, not so much. Again, no worries for Michelle. What's her secret? Well, it's quite a story. Once upon a time, Michelle worked for someone else. She did very well, but she worked all the time, and if she stopped working, her income would go away. But Michelle had dreams. She loved growing things, and she wanted to spend more time with her kids before they grew too big, and do more with her husband before they grew too old. Then she heard about North American Power. She was a little surprised. Of course, she knew friends who had tried home-based businesses. Most of them had to pay money up front to get started, sometimes a lot of money. Many ended with a garage full of stuff left to sell and never even got back the money that they put in. North American Power was different. When they said no investment, no risk, they meant it. In fact, they would invest in her with free training and her very own personalized website. Even better, North American Power offered something Michelle was already using each and every day: energy. All of this truly set them apart. Michelle decided to give it a try. With literally nothing to lose, she simply went online and signed up. Like millions of people, Michelle now has energy choice. That means she can choose the company that supplies her energy. It's just like long-distance service. Remember when you first had the chance to change your long-distance carrier? This is the same kind of thing, but a new kind of choice. And for Michelle, it was North American Power, her best choice for energy with a powerful business attached, and a combination of benefits no one else could match. She loved having several cleaner energy options, all at affordable prices. She was also proud of the way the company gives back, empowering her to make a difference. Their Mission to Millions campaign lets customers choose from a list of worthwhile charities, and North American Power donates $1 each month on their behalf. This combination of kindness, promise, and power led Forbes magazine to name North American Power one of America's most promising companies, the first company of its kind ever to make the list. Exciting stuff. So Michelle found it easy to tell her friends, her family, her neighbors, and coworkers, anyone really, about North American Power. And by simply sharing, her new business blossomed as well as her income. As she talked to people and they signed up as customers, North American Power gave her money. Then, each month when they paid their energy bills, her money grew. And each time those satisfied customers shared and signed up others, Michelle made more and more money. Michelle's business grew, and so did other things. Long-dormant dreams began to blossom all around. The dreams of new moms and retired granddads, of dock workers and overworked doctors, of CEOs and ordinary Joes. It was amazing how this opportunity worked for anyone. How exciting it was to help people who once felt insecure or never thought that they could ever get ahead or pay for their child's college or own their dream home or spend every day doing something they love. Together, they were at the forefront of the coming boom in energy, beating the odds of a bad economy. Together, they were growing more empowered. And as they grew, Michelle reveled in the reality that no one ever got hurt. No money was ever lost. In fact, the more others made, the more Michelle made, and the better all their lives grew. She loved that. Remember, she loves growing things. Not long ago, Michelle quit her old job, and North American Power went from Plan B to Plan A. She opened that little flower shop just for fun. Her family went to Paris for 2 full weeks, and while she was away, her income never wilted. In fact, it grew and grew. Michelle is not alone. She's one of thousands, a growing grassroots movement of customers turned entrepreneurs, empowered by choice, empowered for change. Sign up today. No other business can offer you more. The best energy choices for the planet and pocketbook. Nature and the nation. A mission to give millions and make a difference for billions. An opportunity that costs you not a dime to start. No risk, no regrets. Just a new way to work, live, and bring new energy and new dreams to a world running low on both. Join us now. Be the power for change. For your family, your friends, for the world, and for you.